Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. There you can see the police hard at work, making sure that the rules of the road are followed. Very good job. So today we are giving you a tour of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now we just got on the highway from Melrose Hill and we're heading towards actually Kingston. So we're heading towards the toll plaza and then on to the Maypen interchange and then up to the Maypen toll plaza. So this section was recently opened, was opened on September 14. But I think they opened it a bit too early because there was a lot of work left to be done. But I must say, after touring the road today, a lot of those issues have been resolved, like the signage. The Maypen interchange has the correct sign, so people are not driving on the wrong side of the road again. You know where to go. So it's a pity they didn't just open it at the end of the month, but they opened it on the 14th and they had some growing pains. But the highway is good to go now, with the exception of the fence. That's the only outstanding issue. And China Harbour Engineering Company says they are going to repair the fence. Now they are saying that people stole the wire out of the wire for the fence, so that's why animals are going on the road. And a few accidents happened over the weekend because stray animals wandered onto the road and accidents occurred. But China Harbour Engineering Company is going to replace the wire in the fence so that those issues should not happen again. You can actually check out the channel. We did a video on the press release that China Harbour Engineering Company put out, so you can check that out. Let's check the fence here and see. Okay, that fence doesn't have any wire in it, but they're going to repair it. It's just give them some time. But you see right here now on the left, they have the guardrail, which is very effective in keeping the animals off the road. Like this section now, the wire fence is behind the guardrail. No, that section doesn't have. Actually, some parts of the fence have the wire, but some wire is missing in the middle, so that's probably one of the sections where they stole the wire. And people, please, don't interfere with the wire for the road. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Somebody can lose their life. If you look at the pictures of the car accident, I think a BMW hit a cow. And that's not good. That is not good. So people, please leave the wire alone. Do not interfere with the road. The roads are very important in Jamaica. We don't have trains. We don't have an airline to move around the country. You need the roads. And I guess since we're saying this, leave the JUTC buses alone till people need to move or get around. Stop interfering with the buses. But this is a very nice road. Job well done. This is the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. And I'm waiting patiently for this road to reach Negril and Montego Bay. It's a pity they haven't done it already, but I'm hoping that within the next 10 years this road will go to Montego Bay and go to Negril. Roads like this, highway quality roads. Yes, they're toll roads, you have to pay toll, but that's fine, not a problem. Wow, we are heading into some rain. Wow, when it rains, I mean, I don't know, but the visibility is so low. To put on my hazard lights, but I know at night it's well, I mean, there are no street lights at night, but you have reflectors, so it works well. But I can barely see in front of me. Wow. I can't remember it being like this on any other highways. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today.